Hello viewers, welcome to the episode on alcoholic beverages, wines and spirits. Alcoholic beverages are potable and contain ethyl alcohol. Any beverage is termed alcoholic when it contains 0.5% of ethyl alcohol. This is made by fermentation of material containing sugar when the yeast reacts on the sugar to form ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Sales of alcoholic beverages to adults below the age of 21 is illegal, and it is the responsibility of the bar staff to follow this regulation strictly. In this episode, we will be reviewing the manufacturing methods and different types of alcoholic beverages. For better understanding of the subject, this episode is divided into 5 parts, namely wines, spirits, beer, aperitif and cocktail, and liquor. Let us discuss about wines as an alcoholic beverage. Wine is an alcoholic beverage made by fermentation of freshly gathered grapes and other berries. Manufacture of wine. Fermentation. Immediately after plucking, grapes are pressed to extract the juice. The unfermented grape juice, known as must, is kept in vats to ferment. During fermentation, the yeast converts the sugar in the must into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Racking. This is the process of clearing wine of all the sediments. These sediments, known as lees, settle at the bottom of the casks. Racking is the procedure of transferring the clear wine after the sediments have settled to another cask. Fining. Fining refers to clarifying the wine of the impurities which do not settle as sediments. For clarifying, fining agents are added. Fined or clarified wine is brighter as no floating particles are in the wine. Chemically treated fining agents are white of egg, gelatin and isinglass, which is the bladder of fish. Once the fining agent settles at the bottom with the impurities, the clear wine is racked, that is, transferred to another cask. Types of wines. Red wine. This variety of wine is always made from black grapes. The grapes are crushed with the skin, pips and stalk. The juice extracted is fermented. White wine. This is made from white grapes and also black grapes. When black grapes is used, then the skin, pips and stalk are removed before the flesh of the grapes are crushed to extract the juice. The extracted juice is fermented. Rose wine or pink wine. The color of this type of wine, as the name suggests, is pink or rose. Sparkling wine. This wine is bottled with the carbon dioxide gas produced during fermentation. The gas in the wine gives the frothy effervescence. Fortified wine. This is a wine to which brandy is added to increase the alcoholic strength, as brandy is a spirit made from grapes also. Therefore, this spirit is added to the wine to increase the alcoholic strength. Sweet wine. Sweet wine is obtained when all the sugar available in the grape juice must is not converted into ethyl alcohol by the yeast during the fermentation process. The unfermented sugar remaining in the wine gives the sweetness. Dry wine. This is a wine in which all the sugar has been utilized to be converted to ethyl alcohol. As a result, the wine does not have any trace of sweetness and is referred to as dry wine. Vintage wine. This term is used for wines from France. Spirits. All spirits are classified as distilled alcoholic beverages. Distillation is a process of separating a mixture of two or more liquids which have different boiling points. Distillation. Spirit distillation is the separation of ethyl alcohol along with congeners from the fermented product. Number 1. The principle of distillation is that ethyl alcohol vaporizes at a lower temperature than water. Number 2. Along with ethyl alcohol, congeners and small quantities of water also vaporize. Number 3. The congeners, which are the compounds that give the distinctive characteristics to the alcoholic beverage, and the equipment used is called still. This apparatus allows the separation of ethyl alcohol from the fermented products. The distillate is condensed to get a mixture of ethyl alcohol, water and congeners. If it is continuously distilled for more than 3 times, then pure ethyl alcohol is obtained without any trace of water or congeners. Brandy. France is famous for the best quality wines and brandy. The best brandy produced in France is Cognac from the city of the same name. The juice of grape is fermented. As soon as the grapes are fermented, distillation commences in the equipment called pot still. Rum. Rum is a spirit made from molasses, which is a byproduct of the sugar industry. Freshly cut sugar cane is crushed in mills to extract the juice. This sugarcane juice, that is liquid sugar, is heated to boiling point and cooled to extract the impurities. Gin. Vodka. Vodka, the national drink of Russia. Beer. Beer is a product made out of barley grains, and the steps in the manufacturing of beer are: number 1. Barley grains are malted. To call the barley grain malt, the barley is steeped in water to germinate. After 3 days, it starts to sprout. The water is drained and the grains are dried in the kilns. Number 2. The dried malt is crushed and mixed with hot water. The maltose present in the malt dissolves in hot water to be called sweet wort. Number 3. To this sweet wort is added hops. Hops is a herbaceous perennial climbing plant. Only the cone of the female hop flower is used. The oils and resins from the hops impart a bitter flavor and aroma and also serves as a biological preservative, preventing microbial spoilage. Once the hops is added, it is called sweet hopped wort. Number 4. Yeast is added to this mixture for fermentation. The strain of yeast to be used depends on the final product of beer to be made. In beer making, 2 types of yeast are used: top fermenting yeast. The yeast clusters on the top surface of the beer, slowly fermenting the sugar in the liquid and converting it into ethyl alcohol. Bottom fermenting yeast. Yeast settles in the bottom of the fermenting vessels and slowly converts the sugar in the liquid to ethyl alcohol. In both the methods, during fermentation, yeast converts the sugar in the liquid to ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. 5. the fermented beer is racked. To free it from impurities, the beer is changed from one barrel to another barrel so that the particles settle at the bottom and can be removed. Number 6. After removing the impurities, calculated amounts of priming sugar is added. This priming sugar is a mixture of calculated quantities of sugar and hops. Number 7. The beer obtained is clarified by fining. Fining is a process in which chemically treated milk, egg or bladder of fish is used. This fining is poured on the top of the cask containing beer. While it is settling down to the base of the vessel, it drags all the floating particles along with it to the bottom of the vessel. 8. Beer obtained is clear, which is filtered and stored. 9. Storage of beer is in cold tanks to improve the keeping quality. The filtered beer is carbonated, that is carbon dioxide is added and filled in casks, bottles and cans. Beer is pasteurized to ensure that remaining yeast does not ferment the beer in the containers to turn it cloudy. Types of beers: draft beer, stout beer, porter beer, lager beer. Service of beer: beer is stored chilled at around 8 degrees centigrade. During service, the beer is usually served such that while pouring into the glass from the bottle, the carbon dioxide gas is agitated and froth forms, resulting in a head formation in the glass. On the other hand, if the preference of the customer is without head, then the bottle lip is positioned in such a way that the beer is poured slowly into the side of the tilted glass without agitating the beer. This way, the gas in the bottle is not disturbed and the froth is not formed. Aperitif and cocktails. An aperitif is an alcoholic beverage taken before a meal to sharpen the appetite. Therefore, it is referred to as the pre-prandial drink. These drinks were assumed to possess medicinal properties and referred to as tonics or digestives. In France, sweet alcoholic beverages are preferred. In England, fortified wines, dry sherry or port are appreciated. In America, cocktails are the favorite. Generally, aperitifs are aromatized wines which are also referred to as flavored wines. It is preferred chilled as it leaves a dry taste in the mouth. The popular aperitifs are wine based aperitifs, that is vermouths, white dry and red sweet, Cinzano, Martini, Dubonnet, etc. and spirit based aperitifs, that is bitters, Angostura bitters, Campari bitters, Pernod, Tony Cola, etc. The flavoring agents which contribute to its unique characteristics are fruits, herbs, roots and barks of different plants. Some examples of flavoring agents are coriander, bitter orange peel, cinnamon, nutmeg, fruits, gentian, orris, etc. The flavors are introduced by suspension of crushed ingredients in the proportions specified or by passing vapors of the heated alcohol through these ingredients. Cocktails. In the United States of America, cocktails became popular during the days of Prohibition, when production and sales of alcoholic beverages was illegal. Americans started mixing alcoholic beverages with fruit juices and aerated beverages to camouflage their drinks. These drinks with mixers became popular as many combinations of ingredients came to be used. The base alcoholic beverage is usually one of the spirits, that is vodka or gin, rum, whiskey or brandy, but sometimes wine or liqueurs are used. The most common ingredients used as flavor contributors are fruit juices, syrups of different types, egg, cream, bitters, etc. The three basic styles of cocktails are: number 1, shaken. When one or more ingredients do not mix easily, such as egg, cream or fruit syrup. Number 2, stirred. When the ingredients are easily mixed. Number 3, layered or floating. Liquors of different specific gravities are used. The liquor with the high specific gravity is poured first, and lighter ingredients are poured on the ingredients with heavier specific gravity, thus layers are formed. Tips for successful cocktail making. Number 1, all ingredients used must be fresh. Number 2, ice is always used as cocktails are enjoyed chilled. Ice should be clean and clear so that the appearance of the drink is not spoiled. Plenty of ice is used to chill. Number 3, the cocktail should be made as quickly as possible such that ice does not melt and dilute the cocktail. Number 4, do not fill the glass to the brim as space is required for stirring. Number 5, glasses must be handled by the base and not the rim. And number 6, do not over decorate as it spoils the appearance. Different food items used in the bar: cherries, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco sauce, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, pearl onion, eggs, cream, mint, orange, lemon, different sugars, cube, castor, demerara, syrups, gomes, grenadine, citrus, olive, green and black. Special equipment for bar: wine baskets, ice crushing machine, ice shavers, ice pick, swizzle sticks to stir the cocktail, etc. Classic cocktails: most of the popular cocktails are made from one of the spirits as the base alcohol. Some of the classic cocktails are: number 1, vodka based. A, Bloody Mary. Ingredients: vodka, tomato juice, Worcestershire sauce, dash of lemon juice, dash of Tabasco sauce, touch of celery salt and cayenne pepper and ice. Method: stir the ingredients in a highball glass, decorate with mint and celery stick. Screwdriver: ingredients: vodka, fresh orange juice and ice. Method: add ice, vodka and top with orange juice. Gin based gimlet. Ingredients: gin, lime juice and ice. Method: shake the ingredients with ice, strain in a cocktail glass and decorate with slice of lime. Dry martini. Ingredients: gin, dry vermouth and ice. Method: stir all the ingredients in a mixing glass, strain into a cocktail glass and decorate with an olive. Rum based planters punch. Ingredients: dark rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, fresh lime juice and ice. Method: stir all the ingredients with ice in a highball glass, garnish with orange slice, lime slice and cherry. Cuba Libre. Ingredients: white rum, lime juice, cola and ice. Method: in a highball glass add rum, lime juice, cola and ice. Decorate with slice of lemon. Whiskey based highball. Ingredients: whiskey, ginger ale and ice. Method: in a highball glass, add ice, whiskey and ginger ale, decorate with lemon peel. Whiskey sour. Ingredients: whiskey, lemon juice, castor sugar, egg white and ice. Method: shake all the ingredients, strain into the cocktail glass, decorate with slice of lemon. Brandy based. Brandy smash. Ingredients: brandy, castor sugar, mint soda water and ice. Method: crush mint with sugar in the glass, add brandy, soda water and ice. Decorate with sprig of mint. Brandy Alexander. Ingredients: brandy, creme de cacao, cream and ice. Method: shake all the ingredients with ice, strain in a champagne glass, sprinkle nutmeg. Liquor. Liquor or digestive or cardinals is a postprandial drink defined as sweetened and flavored alcoholic beverage. Alcohol is an essential ingredient in all liquors. Any one of the spirits is generally used as the base alcohol. Liquors are characterized by their flavorings. Flavorings were introduced to make a crude spirit more palatable or to impart medicinal qualities to the drinks. The ingredients used are spirits and the flavorings. Flavorings are classified into three groups, namely herbs and spices, seeds, flowers, peels and plants, and fruits. The flavors are obtained by maceration. The flavoring ingredients are crushed and then soaked in alcohol. Percolation. This is done by continuously passing hot and cold spirit through the flavorings, or vaporizing. The alcohol is heated and the vapor passes through the ingredients, absorbing the flavors. Examples of liqueurs: number 1, apricotine, apricot flavored and brandy based liquor. Benedictine, most widely renowned liquor. It is highly aromatized and very sweet. It is also popularly known as half and half, half Benedictine and half brandy. This mixture is also known as B&B. DOM. On the label are these initials. They stands for Dio Optimo Maximo, dedicated to God who is most great. Creme de cacao, a very sweet liquor with a strong cocoa cum vanilla flavor. Cointreau, orange flavored liquor and is colorless. Creme de menthe, liquor flavored with peppermint and sweetened. Curacao, sweet liquor made in Curacao, Dutch West Indies, flavor of bitter orange. Colors sold in are white, red, blue, green and orange. Drambuie, liquor from Scotland flavored with heather honey. Grand Marnier, golden brown liquor flavored with orange. To conclude, from the time immemorial, alcohol has been an important source of bonding among people in any form of social gathering. At the same time, it is the most sought after item among the customers and staff of any food and beverage sales outlet, leading to many mishaps. Therefore, a lot of caution has to be imposed while dealing with such products. One of the most important regulations is to refuse sales of alcoholic beverages to people below 21 years of age. Also, it is duty of the bar staff to refuse sale of alcohol to people who are not able to withhold themselves after consuming quantities above the limit of tolerance. It is a sales yields good profits to any food business. Therefore, with appropriate controls in place, this product can give good results. Thank you for watching.